Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to reset HP docking station. Resetting an HP docking station can help to resolve your connectivity issue or hardware malfunction. You can reset your HP docking station by two methods, soft reset or hard reset. For soft reset, you have to unplug the docking station from your laptop. After that, you have to remove all the connected devices, monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. After that, you have to unplug the docking station from its power source. After that, you have to wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you have to plug the docking station back into the power source, and then you have to reconnect the docking station by plugging the docking station back into your laptop and reconnect all the peripheral devices. This will soft reset your HP docking station. To hard reset your HP docking station, you have to locate the reset button on the docking station. This is often a small pinhole button you can find on your docking station. After finding the button, you have to use a paper clip or a similar tool to press and hold the reset button. After that, you have to hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you have to release the button and wait for the docking station to restart. This will hard reset your HP docking station. If you want to know more detail about this product, I'll give you the link in the description. You can go from that link and buy the product if you want. Hopefully this video will help you to reset your HP docking station. Thanks for watching.